For today's Monday Minute, I'm chatting about looking for the potential in a floor plan. Plenty of investors plan to purchase a property and maybe consider a renovation in time when they've got a little bit more equity. And other times we find that owner occupiers are purchasing a property that will suit their needs now, but will represent a home that they can continue growing into as their family grows. Now, whenever we're looking at a floor plan, we keep in mind where the load-bearing walls are, where the wet areas are, so kitchens, bathrooms, laundry, and what sort of plumbing changes might be involved if they wish to do a significant renovation. We try and avoid properties with kitchens or bathrooms down the back of the home in a lean-to sort of setup, and we always think about the ideal floor plan. Bedroom, living space, open plan kitchen, and bathroom neatly next to the bedrooms. It's really important to think about the future cost before you dive into something that you think has investment and renovation potential.